is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
We dey welcome una come this program where we dey call Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Sarah Abo. I dey with Gloria Enoch for studio.
People, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening.
I also dey with Evelyn Harry.
My people, how una dey? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
All right, if una dey watch us for the very first time, abeg make una subscribe, like, share, and also drop una comment for us. God go bless una. This particular program wey dey come una way na the program wey dey bring different tori wey dey happen for area. Any tori wey dey happen for area na we dey carry come talk to una for here. So make una always dey drop una comments, make una like, subscribe, make una also share our video, and then we go appreciate una for that. Those wey dey do am before, God bless you. Thank you very much. Keep doing it. All right, today wey we get the tori wey we dey carry come na the tori of woman wey come from Obodo Oyinbo, marry man, come dump am, waka go. This man dey im own jejeje. They understand. They live in life. They do in business. They do in work. They do everything to make sure say in life don better. So you can't get this particular lady wey come from outside country, come see am. As she go church now, go see the man, say she love this man, not knowing that na plan na she plan am, say she come here to marry. When she come marry this guy, as time goes on, the guy come dey happy, dey talk say yes, him wife come from Obodo Oyinbo, dem do big wedding, no be small wedding dem do. And according to the tori, na the lady na sponsor everything. She ready to spend money. So, and she come with her parents. The parents dey for Lagos, you understand? The wedding come happen. As the wedding happen finish, now the lady come tell her say, okay, make her go back to the country, prepare papers and everything, then I'll come and pick you, my husband, then we'll go back together. So the man come dey happy now. Everywhere we go, everybody come dey talk say, oh boy, this man don japa be that. So. No, things don better for this man. No, and the kind wedding wey happen, you go know say that girl no dey suffer. Fine lady like that. Na the lady go. The first 6 months, then they communicate. You understand? Before you know it, the parents wey dey for Lagos, they come they communicate with them too. They communicate with the wife. As time goes on, around 1 year, 6 months like this, now everything can change. The guy go meet the parents, say, I know they feel hear from my wife again. Wetin dey happen? I don't understand. Now they tell her say, even them, they no get her recent address. Then here say she don't move from particular place, go particular place, but they no get her address. The guy say, this one it be like dream. Now they go tell her say, nothing what they will do. Then go they wait, they expect say the lady will communicate with them so that at least they will fit tell them say, see where your wife dey. But then here say they say she want change from one place to another place. Now the address they no come get. But people come they talk say the parents know where the guy dey. Wetin people come they think be say the girl just want come marry, use marriage certificate, take do the things wey she want do for there. You understand? Now so she take abandon this man. Now the tori be that so. The man no fit see her break like again at all. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years.
So you know say some before then they talk say na only woman then they abandon. So this one don't become say na man again. So like make you see say the tori dey very funny to hear. But the man save too. That is why all the same thing will be say if you want go marry man, you go know am well. The same thing now be say for the man before woman go come marry you, you for know am well. Because you man you see as he see am for church, you know say inside church good thing dey, bad thing dey. Everywhere na the same dey happen. Thank God say he no use you comot for Nigeria go leave you for that place now, dump you for there, abandon you where dem say dem go dey find how Nigeria go come carry you come back. He leave you for Nigeria, and I believe say you still there they do your business. Wetin I for advise you be that to continue they do your business, because for how wetin she aim to do she don succeed for your head. She don waka you ma continue your life.
Mm-hmm.
Dey move on with your life o.
Mm.
Forget about her because wetin she come to get na that marriage certificate which she succeed to get am from you, and that is why you see say she spend all the money wey she get do that marriage, and she marry you, carry the name waka to. You ma, sit down for your business, continue your business.
Okay.
No move on with your life, forget about her because she don waka.
Some people go talk say this one na village people follow am, but na failure for im own side.
Mm-hmm.
As a man, I sure say this their courtship no reach up to 1 year.
You know reach, you know
why?
sharp something.
That is what I
You
tell
know
you.
reach
Well.
see,
You
you
know
don
am.
see lady wey come from abroad wan sponsor wedding for am. He
Everything.
Agree.
come melt. He come say I don get wetin I
I dey look
want.
for.
I dey look for.
And na for
Now
touch.
see the consequences of you no pay attention to who the person be, from where, who know am, who no know am, how her character dey. You don't know anything. You just rush enter.
Na God do am for me.
You
Na
just
be
rush
that.
enter. If for say he say make I no rush
Wait
this thing,
first.
make I wait for. If for say he drag this thing, drag am.
all this
Okay,
thing for now.
because even you know say if you dey comot to person, you suppose study am reach a year or two.
Okay.
Make una know each other's
Well.
before you go take the next step.
Na so.
You no know am very well, you go carry yourself go on top. They come leave you with heartbreak. Now if that time wey she come, una for dey drag the relationship make e reach. By that time if e get to that point, you know say her in ten tion go reveal himself.
Yes.
Her in ten tion go comot because you no go fit dey patient dey wait for
Wait
you
for
dey
you.
drag am for her
Yes.
like she for don run go look
For
for
don
Another one. Na the fear be that.
Yes.
If you dey fear say see she want me immediately, if I no gree o make another person
No
no
go
come
get am.
So you see,
overtake.
as you no gree wait, e don happen to
He
am.
rush inside, he rush out.
They don rush, they don break in heart
In
for
heart.
this matter. Na him
So some people come dey talk say oya go marry o, go marry o. E better make you marry your own o.
Yes, na.
The man go dey come dey feel like say kai make I wait maybe the next minute she go come. Make I wait maybe the next minute. You understand? E dey happen well. E get for some other area
Yes,
again wey be
that's
say na man na him marry the woman. You go come leave this woman, the woman go dey wait
Well, they
o
wait.
till the woman go don old. You know say woman old bad because woman sabi old
When she go
quick.
catch you, no man go come marry you
Frustration,
again.
even frustration,
Oh.
e go just dry the woman. You understand?
You go old more than your age.
Yes, you go old more than your age. So all those kinds of things. If anybody come, say one pull ring for your hand. Say na from abroad I come. I wan carry you. But make you no worry. If I marry you, you
carry
go
you
stay
from-
first. Me I go prepare way.
Come back.
Think am well o. You know dey easy like that.
You know the easy like that.
Think am well. You
No dey
understand?
easy.
So with this particular Tori now, we don't come to the end of the program. I want to thank my people for studio. Gloria, thank you.
Thank you very
I also
much.
want to thank Evelyn. I say thank you.
Thank
All right. I beg, may una no forget, may una drop una comments. Subscribe, like, share, and then drop una comment for us. My name is Sarah Akpo. I want to say make una dey shine like a star. What una be?
Baby, my salary, I want to marry.